In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a text reveal animation effect in Canva step by step. This is perfect for YouTube intros, Instagram Reels, presentations, ads, or any design where you want your text to appear in a smooth, eye-catching way instead of just popping onto the screen. The best part is you can do this directly inside Canva without any advanced editing skills. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also show you how to control the timing and export it properly so your animation looks clean and professional. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open Canva and create a new design. You can choose any format you like, such as a presentation slide, Instagram post, or a custom video size. Once your blank canvas is open, go ahead and add your text. Click on the text option from the left sidebar and either choose a heading style or click Add a Heading to type your own sentence. Now type the text you want to animate. This could be a title, a quote, a call to action, or anything you want to reveal with an effect. Adjust the font, size, color, and alignment so it looks exactly how you want before adding animation. Once your text is ready, click on the text box to make sure it's selected. Then look at the top toolbar and click on the Animate button. This is where the magic happens. When you click Animate, you'll see a panel with different animation styles. To create a text reveal effect, you'll want to choose an animation that gradually introduces the text instead of showing it all at once. Some of the best reveal style animations inside Canva include typewriter, which makes the text appear letter by letter like someone is typing it in real time. This is great for storytelling or dramatic intros. Another great option is wipe, which reveals the text from one direction across the screen. Fade is a softer option where the text gently appears. Rise makes the text move upward into view, giving it a smooth entrance. Pan adds subtle motion as the text appears, and burst creates a more dynamic and energetic reveal effect. Click on any of these animations to preview how it looks. Canva will instantly show you the effect on your canvas. Try a few different ones and see which fits your style or brand the best. Once you've chosen your animation, it's time to adjust the speed and timing. With the text still selected, look for the duration option. You can use the duration slider to control how long the animation takes. A shorter duration makes the reveal faster and more energetic, while a longer duration creates a slower, more dramatic effect. If you want even more control, open the timeline at the bottom of the screen. The timeline allows you to decide exactly when the text animation starts and ends, especially if you're working with multiple elements or multiple pages in a video design. You can drag the edges of the text layer to adjust how long it stays on screen and position it precisely where you want the reveal to begin. This is especially useful if you're syncing the text with music or voiceover. Take a moment to preview your animation by pressing the play button. Watch how the text appears and make small adjustments if needed. Sometimes even a slight change in timing can make your animation look much more polished and professional. Once you're happy with the final result, it's time to export your animated text. Click on the Share button in the top right corner, then click Download. Make sure to select MP4 video as your file type. This is very important because formats like PNG or JPEG will not keep the animation. After selecting MP4, click Download and let Canva render your video. And that's it. You've successfully created a text reveal animation effect in Canva. As you can see, it's simple, powerful, and completely beginner-friendly. You can experiment with different fonts, combine multiple animations, or layer elements to create even more advanced reveal effects. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.